Keep a dream journal by writing down your dreams as soon as you wake up. At a later time, go over the journal and think about what symbols were in the dreams, especially recurring symbols, as these often have something important to tell us. You can also look up dream symbolism online and see if any of those ideas resonate with you. Once you've identified the dream symbols that are relevant to you, try some creative exercises with them. Write a story where one of those symbols is the main character. Create some artwork that incorporates those images. Record some music that represents your emotions as they relate to those dream scenarios. Try singing or playing instruments like drums. These projects will help you creatively express the ideas your subconscious is trying to tell you. In general, dreams can be a great way for us to think about things in a new way and get creative with our thoughts in a safe space where nobody will judge us for what we dream up. This is especially important for artists who use dreams to inspire their work. But this artistic expression can happen with any type of dream symbolism, not just what might be considered artistic subjects like music or art. Dreams are often about everyday things that are happening in your life, so there are many possibilities for creative activities you can do with those themes. Here are some ideas for trying to get your dreaming world to work for you. A recurring problem in your dreams could be an indicator of something you need to stop doing or start doing, or confronting, in real life. Turn your thoughts on the problem into a brainstorm list, then combine 2 ideas on the list into one action plan for how you will handle the problem. Try writing a short story with a piece of your dream as its setting, or a character from it as a main character. If an animal was present in the dream, look up what that animal's symbolism means, and find ways to incorporate it into your life. For example, if an animal was positive towards you in the dream, then try befriending that kind of animal, or even just watching them at a zoo more often. On the other hand, if an animal threatened you in some way in the dream, figure out what the animal symbolizes and how it pertains to your fears and anxieties. A strong emotion can be strong inspiration for a song or poem. See if you can turn the emotion into a melody or a rhythm for a poem. Although there's no right way to do creative activities with your dreams, it is important to reflect on why that symbol is appearing in your dream and what it might mean for you, as that will help the activity be even more effective. Doing this kind of reflection can also prevent you from unintentionally imposing your waking life onto your dream images, which would break the magic of using dreams as creative inspiration. Dreams are a fascinating realm where our subconsciousness speaks to us, so don't let them go to waste. Try different kinds of creative expression and see if any of them speak to you.